how to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital planner sticker packs on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you to find out if this is really a winning product or not, and also it's going to help you in the future when it comes to finding new winning products, and also when it comes to spying on the other shops or your competitors to see the products that are working for them and also the products that are not working for them, in order to avoid wasting time on creating them. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own products using canva.com without having to create the product from scratch, and also without having to pay anyone to create the product for you. So let's get started by showing you some examples. Type digital planner sticker packs and let's give it a few seconds to load. So here in the first line we have only the ones that are sponsored by their sellers. We want to see the ones that are popular now, so let's give it a few seconds to complete loading, and you will see right now the shift when this line is going to be replaced, as I said. And as you saw this is now the ones that are popular right now. We have all-in-one digital planner here. We have another one here, daily digital sticker book for, I don't know what is this word, for good notes. And here we have digital planner basic stickers, good notes, everyday life icon, good notes stickers. Let's choose one of these products. For example, we can choose this one, everyday life icon, good notes stickers. Let's choose this one and let's give it a few seconds to load. And here let's take the name of this shop, which is Zaka Digital. Let's wait for it to complete loading, and then let's take the name. We will need it when it comes to spying on this shop to see if this is really a winning product or not. So here let's open a new window and let's type Everbee, which is the spying tool I have mentioned before. And let's give it a few seconds to load. Here it's taking a lot of time to load. Let's reload. Everbee.io, and let's give it a few seconds to load. Best selling items on Etsy. And here let's sign up for free. Let's wait for it to complete loading. Click on sign up for free and give it a few seconds to load. This tool is very helpful, guys. It will give you a lot of tools that you can use in order to find new winning products, and also in order to see a lot of insights about the other shops and your competitors as well. So here let's wait for it to load. Go to the search, type the name of the shop you want to spy on, then click on search, and let's give it a few seconds to load. Then we will be able to see all of the insights about this shop. So here it's still the Artistry Avenue. We want to see this Zaka Digital, but it's still loading. So let's wait for it to complete loading. Here it is. We have the shop and they have a total of listings, which is 77 products listed on their shop. And if you scroll to your right, you will be able to see the shop's age, 79 months, which is a lot of time. And these are the total shop sales. They have made 41,000, more than 41,000 sales in 79 months. And if you can just do the math, 41,000 times $5 or $10, you will see that these people have made a lot of money with only digital products. As you can see, cute digital sticker, yearly holiday good note, cute daily icon digital. With only digital products, they are making a lot of money. So let's look for our product, which is everyday life icon, to see if this is really a winning product or not. And here it is. They are selling it for $2. It was listed 30 months ago, and they have made more than 1,000 sales with it, because based on the reviews you will be able to guess the amount of sales they have made with the product, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So that allows us to know the amount of sales they are making without even upgrading to the paid version. And here these are the reviews per month, which means they have made approximately 43 or 34 sales per month. So they are making 34 sales per month with this product, which means this is a very winning product. So let's head straight away to canva.com to show you how you can create a product like that without even having to create the product from scratch, and also without having to pay anyone to create the product for you. So let's wait for it to load, and let's go to the search. And let's take the name of the product, which is digital planner sticker packs. Let's type the name, click on search, and give it a few seconds to load. And here we will just scroll down to see a lot of examples and a lot of templates that you can use in order to create a product exactly like this one. You'll just need to add your touch, make some adjustments, then you'll have your own product. But guys, make sure to always follow the trend. Always check what's trending, see what's trending on canva.com, and try to make your product look like the ones that are trending right now. As you can see in here, make sure to make a product like this one. So here, let's look for a product that you can create like that. You can use these stickers. Here we have digital stickers, some other stickers. Let's see what's in here. Wake up, coffee time. So you can easily create stickers like that, or you can just take the ones that are already created in here, and you can add your touch to them. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and